Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all have good and fine and studied well, right? I, Mrs. Susha Jadhav, your accounts teacher, once again welcomes you all in the online lectures series. Students, after completing theory part of chapter number 3 is that admission of partner. Today we will do this practical problem based on admission of partner. Dear students, these practical problems carry 10 marks in the board exam and it is so easy to solve, but remember students, we have solving the practical problems. Don't mug up the effect. Understand, student? Don't mug up the effect of entries. Always use logic. So, without wasting much time, let us start today's lecture. Is that first practical problem on admission. Students, this is the first problem of admission of partner. Let us read it first and understand the basic part of the problem. Here, balance sheet of Arun and Varun is given. So, read it. Title: Arun and Varun are partners in a firm, sharing profit and losses in the proportion of their capitals. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2020 was as follows. Their capital proportion means as per the capital balances. So see here how much amount of capital is given. Arun has 90,000 and Varun has 60,000. Arun capital has 90,000 and Varun capital has 60,000. It means 9 raised to 6. Always take first digit of capital. Now you can minimize the ratio. 9 raised to 6 means 9, 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6 into 3 raised to 2. Like this, fine. Now read out balance sheet in liabilities side. Capital balance as well as creditors and general reserve is given. Now students, we have know about general reserve means they are saving. So this saving or reserve is belonging to only all partners. Correct? So rupees 30,000 is distributed between Arun and Varun in profit sharing ratio. So what is profit sharing ratio? Which we already find out. Is that 3 raised to 2. So you can see on screen General reserve is equal to 30,000. Arun is equal to 30,000 into 3 upon 5 is equal to 5 6 are 30. Means 6,000 into 3 is equal to 18,000. Varun is equal to 30,000 into 2 upon 5 means 5 6 are 30. 6 into 2 means 12,000. Right? After coming to the asset side, land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixture, stock, sundry debtors, and cash is given. Students, when we admitted a new partner into the firm, obviously he bring capital in cash, right? Hence, cash balance will change, and therefore here we need to open cash account. For knowing the closing balance of cash, now let us read the adjustment. On 1st April, Tarun was admitted. Tarun was admitted. Students, here important points is that the dates, see 1st April is the date of when the new partner is admitted. So it is expected that our new balance sheet is on same date, right? So when you open new balance sheet, then give this particular date, is that 1st April. Coming to the next, he should bring rupees 24,000 as his share of goodwill. Now students, you must know goodwill is not thing. It is a intangible assets of firm. And here it is brought by new partner in cash. So what will be entry? Now you recall it. I will tell you later. Second adjustment, he should bring rupees 30,000 as his cash, 30,000 as his capital for 1/4 share in future profits. He bring capital rupees 30,000 in cash. Students, see, he brought goodwill and capital in cash. Hence, our cash balance will change. Next is adjustment. So, T mark on the adjustment. Students, I would suggest you take screenshot of this slide and try to solve this problem with me for better understanding. So keep ready your all writing material with you. There is adjustment on land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixture, stock and debtor. So firstly transfer all this balance is new balance sheet. Write it all in the inner column. Leave one line for the adjustment and open the cash account. and partners capital account and transfer all the opening balance to their respective accounts. Right? After that, we will do first goodwill adjustment. Tell me goodwill entry. Goodwill is equal to 24,000. Arun, share of goodwill of Arun is equal to 24,000 into 3 upon 5 is equal to 14,400. And Varun is equal to 24,000 into 2 upon 5 is equal to 9,600. So here we need to distribute the goodwill. When goodwill is brought in cash and withdrawn by old partners, entry should be passed here. Cash or bank account debit to goodwill account. Narration: being goodwill brought in cash by new partner. The next, goodwill account debit to old partner's capital or current account. Narration: being goodwill credited to all partners in their sacrifice ratio. So here we need to distribute the goodwill between Arun and Varun in their profit sharing ratio. Is that 3:2? All partners capital or current account debit to cash bank account being goodwill withdrawn by all partners. In case of given problem, goodwill is equal to 24,000 and only 50% withdraw by old partners. Now here 50% amount is immediately withdraw by old partner. So what will be entry? So entry should be pass. All partners capital or current account debit to cash or bank account. Narration: being goodwill withdraw by old partners. 50% goodwill is equal to 12,000. Arun share is equal to 12,000 into 3 divided by 5 is equal to 7,200. And Varun share 12,000 into 2 divided by 5 is equal to 4,800. On the first account is revaluation account, second account partners capital account, and third new balance sheet. And in working note, you have to open cash or bank account. So let us solve the problem. This is question which is seen on the screen. So transfer all the liabilities and assets in their particular account. So firstly transfer capital balances to partners capital account as by balance brought down. On credit side, rupees 90,000 and rupees 60,000 respectively. Then creditors on the liability side. After that, general reserve, we already discussed about general reserve in earlier slide. So transfer the general reserve according to their proportion. Is that 18,000 and 12,000. Arun's column 18,000 and Varun's column 12,000. After that, transfer all asset in balance sheet inner column because adjustment is there, right? Except cash. Students, as I told you earlier, you have to prepare cash or bank account. Land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixture, stock, debtors, adjustment is there. First adjustment on goodwill, which already we discussed, right? Now give the goodwill effect in the partner's capital account credit side. By goodwill account 14,400 and Arun column 14,400 and Varun column 9,600 as retained in the business. After that 50% withdraw, so give the debit side, partners capital account debit side, right? Effect as cash to cash account 7,200 Arun column and Varun column 4,800, and also give the same effect in cash account credit side by Arun's capital 7,200 and Varun's capital 4,800. And next is capital brought by Tarun. New partner is admitted, Tarun. So Tarun brought capital on cash. What will be entry? Entry should be passed here, cash or bank account debit to Tarun's capital account. So give the partner's capital credit side, Tarun capital right there by cash and Tarun column 30,000 rupees. And cash account debit side. Now coming to the cash account debit side to Tarun's capital account 30,000. First write cash account debit side to balance brought down. Cash amount is given here 18,000. Write down then 18,000. Then Tarun's capital account 30,000. Now coming to the next adjustment. Land and building 90,000. Old amount is 7,500. Sorry, 75,000. Now it is revalued at 90,000. It means there 50,000 is appreciation. 15,000 rupees is a increases. 15,000 is a profit. So add it into land and building and give second effect in the revaluation credit side. Plant and machinery at rupees 24,000. Now old amount is 30,000. Here there is reduce the amount. Amount is 30,000. And plant and machineries value is a decreases. Means 24,000 is the amount. So plant and machinery by 6,000. So minus here from plant and machinery. And debit side to revaluation account being decrease in the value of asset. Plant and machinery's value is a decreases. Plant and machinery is a depreciated. Right? Next is a furniture and fixture. Rupees 6,000. Old value rupees 12,000. Now it is a reduced by rupees 6,000. So debited rupees 6,000 to revaluation account and less from furniture and fixture because value is a decreases. Next is RDD. Calculate the 5% RDD on debtors. 36,000 into 5% is 18,000. So write it. Debit side of revaluation account and credit side from debtors. Now here all the adjustment over. Time to close the account. So first close cash account. And transfer the balancing amount to balance sheet. There find out whether there profit or loss. Revaluation. Here is a profit of rupees 7,200 which is distributed to partners. Arun and Varun in their profit sharing ratio means profit distributed to old partner and also credited to their capital account. To Arun capital account 3/5 means 4,320. Varun's capital account 2/5 means 2,880. Transfer to partner's capital account. Credit side by revaluation account. Then close the capital account by finding the balance. Total of credit side deducted it from debit side. And then you will get balance. By balance, to balance carried down because credit side is a more and debit side is a less. So to balance carried down, then transfer it to the liability side and write liability side capital account Arun 1,19,520, Varun 79,680, Tarun 30,000. Total capital account amount 2,29,200. Cash account balance also transfer to asset side. Now tally the sum. Balance sheet liability side 2,44,200 and asset side 2,44,200. Sum get tally. Students, hope you understood the problem. Correct? Working note. Then this problem as homework. Thank you and keep watching the accounts video for better understanding.